My name's Craig, and you're obviously here because you've just bought the Daisy Jones Showit template from Carroll, Hampshire. So you've bought it. What's next? Okay, if you don't have a Showit site, you would literally go to showit.com. Well, a Showit account, you would go to showit.com, and you can actually have a look here at the pricing. It starts off at $19 a month. The $24 and the $34. It's really up to you which one you would choose. But if you're not running a blog, okay, and you just want to get in there, I would start off with the $19. Okay, so you've started, you've created your account, and you're going to sign in. Okay. And this is your dashboard. Okay, so in your dashboard, you've probably been here already because you've subscribed and stuff like that. But our next step would be, and I'm going to close this all off over here, is to open up the design app. Okay. So now we've opened up the design app. Okay, and we have a lot of free templates to choose from, and some paid, I suppose. But really, at the end of the day, we're here because we have purchased the Daisy Jones template. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to your designs. All right, and we have nothing here. Okay, so let's go to add design to library. All right, and when you purchased the template from Carroll, you would have received a email or document with a key in it. So you're going to copy that key and you're going to place the key in here, right? And then you're going to press enter, right? It's going to show you what the template kind of looks like, and then you're just going to say add now. Okay, and you say, and you see, let's celebrate. It's in your library, right? Okay, so close that, and then let's get in there. Let's choose this design to start off with. Okay, click start with this design. So our template is loaded into our builder. Okay, and as you can see, there are two different views. This is just automatically how it opens up. There is both a big screen view and a mobile view. Okay, so if we just check out these two tabs up at the top here, there's page and there's site. Okay, the site will show us everything that we need to get around here. So there'll be site settings, there'll be design settings, which I will show you how to fix and change and do your own thing a little bit later in another video. Your media library, okay, but then we've got things such as our pages, which is these are the pages that are all part of the template, which is the home, services, opt-in, coming soon, and brand guide. Okay, if these are other things that you would be adding in if you did blogs. Okay, site canvases. Okay, site canvases are things such as this, where you will see these lines crossing over it, and a site canvas is literally something that if I edit here and it's somewhere else on the site, okay, it's almost like templates within templates. And whatever I edit here will edit right across the site. Okay, so there are a few here. This would be the about one, as you can see over here. And yeah, so these are just the elements, and this is just a top view of what the template looks like. You can just select this just to get a bigger view of what's going on here. So with all these canvases, as you can see over here, we are on the home page. These sections here are called canvases. And if you want to see the canvases on the page, you would just select the page tab. Okay, and now you can click on any one of these and it will take you to that section, and you can start editing as you want to quite freely. But I'm going to touch on those things with other videos, okay? But now we've installed it, and the next thing is we'll have a look at how to change your design settings.